Crocamole.
Quack, 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 quack. I'm pretending to be a little duckling. Should we go for a walk and see who we meet along the way?
Yeah.
Come on. I met a baby bird by the barnyard gate. The baby bird was my playmate. The baby bird went peep, 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 peep. Had a little fly and went to sleep, sleep, sleep.
Aww.
Wake up, baby bird. I want to play.
Oh, yeah.
Quack, 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 quack,
Who
quack,
else I
quack.
can find around here?
Quack, 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 quack. Quack, 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 quack.
I know you. There was a little duckling by the barnyard gate. That little duckling was my playmate. The little duckling went quack, quack, quack. The baby bird went peep, peep, peep. Had a little fly and went to sleep, sleep, sleep.
I wonder who else we'll find on our journey. Oh, a baby emu. I saw a baby emu by the barnyard gate. That baby emu was my playmate. The baby emu went run, run, run. The baby duckling went quack, quack, quack. The baby bird went peep, peep, peep. Had a little fly and went to sleep.
Sleep, sleep. Hello.
9:30 weekdays on 11.